A day in a life as a teacherpreneur, mom of 3 na lumalaban sa buhay kahit walang kalaban, ganern. Yes, for today's video guys, isi-share ko lang kung anong ganap natin pag wala tayong pasok. Yes, this is Friday night guys and start na ng weekend natin. So pag wala tayong racket at klase, naka-duty tayo sa Calvin Klein Kitty Store. And then this is Saturday morning na guys, nasa side hustle tayo dito. And first event natin for today ito guys, nagte-table setup tayo, complete arrangement ng tables and chairs ito guys, with chair cover and a motif ribbon. So golden wedding anniversary ang ganapan today guys, kaya ito yung color motif na napili ng ating client. So by the way guys, kompleto tayo sa tables and chairs and nagpi-free setup din tayo guys, so hindi na kayo mamumblema kung short kayo sa time. So, ayan ang second event natin ngayon guys. Still tables and chairs set up pa rin ito. Birthday party ng anak ni ma'am. So, meron tayong color pink na motif naman dito guys. So, this is still Saturday guys. So, dalawang events tayo this morning. Yan. So, meron din tayong kids tables and chairs since bata yung may party ngayon guys. Ito yung napili ni ma'am na package na i-avail sa atin. So, ginalingan talaga natin yan guys. Naglilinis tayo dyan ng mga upuan, tables. Yan. So, sinatap na natin lahat para at least naman hindi na masyadong mapagod yung ating celebrant. Ayan guys, yung look ng ating mga setup. So, wala lang tayong chair cover dito guys kasi simple occasion lang din daw po ito, kaya wala na lang chair cover. Pero at least elegant pa rin naman siyang tingnan guys. See? Yan pala yung long table natin guys with skirted design cover. And then ito yung final look naman sa first event natin. So, as you can see guys, mas elegant naman kasi talaga pag meron talagang chair covers.
Use the weekend to build the life you want instead of trying to escape the life you have. You're not going to hit your goals by getting drunk and partying every weekend. Work hard today. Your future self will be proud of you.
Yes, bawal mapagod. Keep going lang guys. Bye-bye!